Okay, so I'm gonna replace some of the parts in the fuel tank here, some of the seals and stuff. So I'll go ahead and pull the pump out. I think it still has more gas in here than I'd like. So I just put this in here for the testing. Some of the original parts aren't in great shape. You can see how cracked that is. I already put the new pump in, so that's ready to go. So I got a new seal for it, so I'll go ahead and replace that and a new, now we're good to go. This one probably would have been okay, but it kind of had that messed up corner there. And I was already ordering, so. If you were doing the pump, you'd do it exactly the same way. Okay, so I've got the tank ready to go, the return ready to go, got the bolt nut there. The tank has some fuel in it, so it's likely to leak out the return when I put it on. So I'm gonna try to do it pretty quick. There we go. Okay, then under here there's a few connections. Of course, there's going to be the main fuel line here, so we're going to put the banjo on, and then the new gaskets, washers. Don't forget that, or you have a bad day. Okay guys, so the first thing I need to do here is replace this chain. This one's junk. So let's go ahead and remove this old chain here with the patented chain removing tool. So it's usually easier to find the old master link, and conveniently it's in between two of those. So what I'm going to do is grind the kind of heads off so I can pop that link off there. So of course, removing the old chain is pretty straightforward. You just remove the old chain. This chain's actually probably fine, except for the fact that it's really ugly and rusted, but we're gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna try to do this without having to take all the clutch off, but it's pretty tricky on these bikes. I can do it. Yeah, I can probably get it done. We'll see. So it's easier if you get the chain at the length you want to go with right from the beginning. Alright, so looks like I gotta adjust the chain too real quick. Okay, so it turns out it's pretty easy to do a chain adjustment on these. You just loosen up this bolt right here, and then you move the eccentric here with the provided thing to get it right where you want it. Alright, let's try that. Oh yeah, there we go. This is a master link type, clip type. Probably not the best for this, but that's what it came with. So here we are. And then that'll go in right there. And two more X-rings or O-rings. Then the outside link of the chain. And then you'll have the master link, or the clip link rather. And this of course is going to face away from the direction. I'll get a shot of that here in just a minute. Alright, chain's on. So what I mean is the chain goes this way as we travel forward. It gets pulled across the top. You want the clip top link pointing that direction. So now we'll just adjust the chain back to where we need it. Get your chain tension about like you want it. Then you just tighten up the nut again in the back here. It's probably about right. I'll put just a little more of this good lube here on those O-rings there. There we go. I don't know what that's torqued down to, so we're gonna figure that out real quick. Okay, so Honda calls for about 1 inch of chain slack. A little bit less than that, I'd say. So let it out a bit. Okay, then the big pinch bolt's going to be torqued down to 54 Newton meters, or 54 foot-pounds, sorry. Okay, and now it's time to start rebuilding the front of the bike some more. I had to take it apart because for some reason the headlight bulbs weren't working. And they aren't this time, oddly. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, I don't know what it still was. It's working now though. So believe it or not, the first thing that probably needs to go in here is the dash cover. It's really hard to get in after the fact. I know this because I did it. And I had to take it back apart. There we go. And of course you can't mount it on anything yet because there's nothing there. But it's best just to go ahead and get that out of the way, like that. Alright, now we'll get ready to put the front fairing back on. The fairing has two prongs that go into body holes in there. So you gotta get those in there first. And then of course over here on the mirror spots. Okay. So then I'll just put this screw in right here that kind of holds this in. Until the mirrors are on. I'm gonna take that back off and put those rubber things under there because I'm missing them. Alright. Up here at the top, this kind of clips in. There's several places it clips in, like right there, right there. Right up here at the top, it clips in. Then over here on the sides, it also has some spots where it clips in, right there. Then it has two screws that go in right there. Oh, still messed it up though. See there? Now it's better. I don't have the windshield and because it hadn't come in yet, and some of the mirror parts are missing, so I have to wait to put those on. But they pretty simply just bolt on there. Okay guys, the next piece is this one right here. It was a challenge to get in there, I'm not gonna lie to you, I had to fight it. There's gonna be some push pins in various places on it. On the inside there's one right here. Then there's going to be one up under the front here as well. I think we got it there. Then of course the side fairing will go on. But let's go ahead and go to the other side now. This side has one just like the other side. It's going to go but that way. Go ahead and rehook up the blinker first because it's hard to get to. Okay, so next I'm putting on the bright side fairing here. These are pretty easy to put on as far as fairings go. It kind of goes in right between all that stuff right there. And here on the front there's going to be 3. Then there's 2 of these larger ones here towards the back. Now I'll come back and tighten all these down all the way. There we go. So that side's done. Let's go to the other side. Alright, so the last major piece to go on is this one here. It basically just kind of scooches under here and then goes up just like that in there. Alright, so then there's 4 more push pins up there, but I'll have to go get some because the kit did not provide enough. That one goes there, one goes up here where it goes through all of these, right there. And then there's one more there, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, need 6 more push pins the kit was short on. But otherwise, the bike's pretty much done now. Just need to get the windshield in to finish it up, and then I can finish up a few more parts up this way and we'll be good to go.